With its dry and wet milling capabilities, the GSM-7X delivers unmatched versatility, easily switching between both processes to handle a wide variety of materials, including glass ceramics, titanium posts, PMM blocks, zirconia, and wax. Equipped with a flexible B-axis, offering a milling angle range of +30 to -90. This machine ensures precise cutting at every angle, making it the perfect choice for complex restorations and detailed milling jobs. The GSM-7X Milling Machine. Precision and flexibility in one.